question number 76. Let's read it. Which of the following alkenes will react fastest with H2 under catalytic hydrogenation condition? Student, for this question we need to know that less hindered alkene reacts at fastest rate. So the rate of hydrogenation for the given alkenes is, number 1 is ethene, since it is the least hindered, followed by cis-butene, followed by trans-butene, and the least reactive is this, since this is the most hindered alkene. That means the alkene which reacts fastest is option number 1. So the correct answer is option number 1. Among cis and trans, cis is more reactive than trans. Moving to the next question, which is question number 77. Let's read it. Which one of the following is most reactive towards electrophilic attack? So students, among the given compounds, the compound which is more electron rich will be most reactive towards electrophilic attack. So it is very clear that in case of option number 4, the electron density on benzene ring will be maximum. As a result, will be most reactive towards electrophilic attack. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, which is question number 78. Major product of the given reaction is. There is a compound given. When NBS attacks, we have to answer the product so formed. Student, NBS is used for monobromination substitution at the allylic or the benzylic position. So this is the compound CH2, CH3. When NBS attacks, benzylic substitution will take place, and this is the product so formed. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Moving to next question, which is question number 79. Let's read it. Correct order of boiling point is. Student, for this question we need to know that boiling point generally increases with molar mass. So here I'm writing the correct order of boiling point. The highest boiling point is of CH3Br, followed by CH3Cl, followed by CH3F, and the least boiling point is of CH4, that is methane. So the correct order is represented in option number 2. Moving to next question, which is question number 80. Let's read it. Which one of the following compounds will undergo racemization when it is hydrolyzed with solution of KOH? Student, for this question we need to know that the compound which contains chiral alkyl halide and forms stable carbocation will undergo racemization. Among the given compounds, the only compound which undergoes racemization is option number 4. Let's start the reaction. This on reaction with, so first the Cl minus will be eliminated and a carbocation will be formed. Now when OH minus attacks, racemization will take place. So it is very clear that the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Moving to next question,